Hello dear students, this is Ram from SGS Sainik Academy, Visakhapatnam, and we have the targets 117 targets. So today our target number is 42. You know that we are so now we are in English subject. We are going to discuss the English subject today also. Here that future tense passive voice. Here I think you know the tenses: present tense, past tense, and also future tense. And also you know the rules and regulations of present, future, and also past. So in present, simple present, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. In past also simple past, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. As well as like in future tense also simple future, future continuous tense, and also future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Like this, total 3 main tenses and also 12 sub tenses are there. So today also today we are going to discuss in future tense how the passive voice will come. So here the active voice and passive voice. Also we know the rules and regulations about the active and passive voice. And active and passive voice rules are different from the present, past, and also future. There are different rules are there to the active and passive voice based on the tense. That means if the future tense is there, the rule is different from when we change the active to passive voice. Okay, how should we identify? How can we identify whether it is active or passive? Like, okay, so today our class is going in future tense. And we are going to discuss about the future tense, about the passive voice. So this is also a very different question. And how can we easily identify the answer? Through the elimination of options, I will explain this question. Okay, are you ready? Yes, so we'll go there. So here, all the winners dash prizes tomorrow. This is the question. All the winners dash prizes tomorrow. First of all, tomorrow means you can easily identify that this is the future tense. Tomorrow means you can easily identify the future tense. Okay, so here this is the future tense. Okay, but here why? Because based on the options also here the tomorrow is there. That's why this is the future tense. But this is active or passive? This is the passive voice. This is the passive voice. So here active voice sentences must be. What is the active voice sentence for this? Before going to reveal the answer, before going to explain the answer, I want to show that what is the active voice to this. All my dear students, after completion of the listening of active and passive tenses, only you can understand this class. Otherwise you cannot understand. Already if you know about the rules and regulations of tenses and also active and passive voice, then only you can able to understand. If I start from the rules of the tenses and active voice, passive voice, this is not that much of class. Why? Because it's going to discuss about around 2 hours, 3 hours about tenses and active voice. So here our motto is not that. Here our motto is to how to pick the answer. That's why. So I'm not going to explain all the rules and regulations. Please watch rules and regulations, and then only you can able to understand this question, right? Okay, so here all the winners dash prizes tomorrow. So active voice is prizes will give to the winners, to all the winners by tomorrow or tomorrow, whatever, no problem. Tomorrow. This is the actually active voice. Why I am writing in the active voice? if we know the active voice, if we imagine the active voice, okay, then passive voice is very easy. Then what will come in here we can understand. So here will give. So that means actually what is the simple future structure means subject plus will or shall, will or shall plus V1 plus object. All the winners are object. Will is here, give is V1, subject is prizes. Okay, now what happened? What is the passive voice mean? In the object will become subjects. Already in rules and regulations I have told that. Object means all the winners. So all the winners. Okay, next object will become subject. Next, here will is here. So in the place of will be. In the place of will come. So will be. Okay. Next, V1 will become V3. V1 became V3. V1 means here give. V2 given. Give. V1 give. V2 gave. V3 given. Give, gave, given. So here V3 means given, we have to write given. Okay, given. So all the winners will be given prizes tomorrow, right? You understand, my students? Right. So here what we want exactly, will be given. Yes, we know that will be given. Where is the will be given? In option A is will be given. This is the exact answer. Why I am giving this much of explanation, my dear students? You go to the classes previously, which I have explained in the previous classes in our app. You can check those, and you can then only you can get this all. Okay. So will be given. Why will be given came here means will give. Here will means this is helping the same as will became will be, and give is a V1 became the V3. Here the V3. So these are the rules. Will be. Okay. So here will given is not the answer. Will have given also not the answer. Will be giving. Here it's not a will be giving. Giving never comes in the passive voice. This is the active voice. Future continuous tense. This is the future continuous tense. Will be giving is the future continuous tense in active voice only. In the passive voice, giving will never come. Okay, giving before will never come here. Okay, so here all the winners prizes tomorrow means here all the winners will be given prizes tomorrow. So here will be given is exact answer for this question. So once again I am repeating this. What is that? Here this question is belong to the future as well as passive voice. Future passive voice question. Before solve the question, we have to write the future tense of this future active voice. So future active voice prizes will give to all the winners by tomorrow. That is the how should to write this sentence means here. So we know that what is the rules and regulations. So if you don't know the rules and regulations, we cannot write this sentence. You cannot form the sentence. You cannot able to fill in the blank here. Okay. So what is the answer? Will be given is the answer. So my dear students, tenses, active voice and passive voice. If you don't know the rules and regulations, you cannot move even single inch also there. So please kindly do watch or do practice active voice, passive voice and tenses very well. Why? Because here 2 marks from this 2 marks from the active voice and passive voice, also tenses. So those 2 marks maybe will use to get the seat, maybe those 2 marks will use to get the state first rank. So don't neglect any chapter, any topic, any subject, any one of the everything is very important. Every single mark also very important to get seat in Sainik school. Please remember, kindly follow what I am telling here every day at 6 p.m. These will use in the final examinations. I think you understood this today's topic. If you did not understand, maybe I think that you don't know the rules and regulations of those. Okay, right? All the best everyone. Take care and bye bye.